ready to roll.
Well, I set the Jeeps up. Yeah.
Can you go fix them? That I know how to drive them?
Oh, of course.
Yep.
So the motors in the back of yours are broken, and the motors in the back of this one are broken too. So we got to figure out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Marshall's is out too. See?
Wait, spin that back one.
Yep.
Yeah.
But Marshall's makes a sound, so I don't think she's out too.
So what we're going to do is let them charge up, and once I get done with work, we'll take a look, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Okay. Okay, who wants to try the Jeeps out?
I want to try mine. I have to look through it with this pretend. Okay. I see the cables are connected and the power is running. Okay.
Why don't you turn the power on and see, and we'll see what happens.
Oh yeah. Dad, can you walk it? Ooh, Dad.
Does the bed works? Does your bed work, Masha? Press this button. So go on the other side and press the gas pedal with your hand. Doesn't work? It's pressed down? Okay, let go. Press it again. Doesn't work, huh? Let's try Masha's. Hey, Mosh, can you put your hand on the gas pedal?
Gas pedal.
Are you pressing it?
Oh yes, he's pressing it.
Let's see. Yeah, that doesn't work.
Oh.
But this remote that I have, so that's why I have the remote. Okay, those wheels spin. Let's see yours, Eleanor.
Okay, it's going good with the batteries. There must be something see-through. We can only see through the light. Is something happening to the wheels? That must have been wheels.
Does it work, Masha? Okay.
Turn it up.
Gas pedal, Mash. Okay.
Gas pedal.
Nice. Yeah, man, we got 25 volts. 25 volts on this battery. That's a good battery. Nothing? Dang. Oh, no.
You like this part too?
Masha, what do you think? Okay, this is Masha's controller. I just pulled it out of hers. This is a good controller. I'm going to put the controller, her controller, in this Jeep and see if it works.
Okay.
Do you think it's going to work?
Sure.
What do you think, Mash?
I'm going to get it wax.
Okay, gas pedal.
Wireless connection.
Oh.
Nope, same thing. Weird.
This is weird.
You did a good job. You did a really good job. Here, can you take the light? Where's the other light?
The other light's there. I don't know.
Let's say goodnight to the Jeeps. We'll be back at it later.
Yep, we're going to be wax working later tonight.
Okay.
Wireless connection.
Well, it's working. So I just disconnected these two guys, and now these are working. So there's something weird about this one that's just shortened the whole circuit out. So it's probably just a Yeah. Anyways, looks like 4 bad motors here. So that's cool. Gotta order some motors. I think these are new motors.
New motors.
These are the best.
Take that wheel off. There you go.
Then why is this door not opening? I gotta fix this kid. I gotta fix it.
Where's the bolt? Because now we're missing the bolt to your thing that holds your wheel on. Oh, I found it.
Careful with that, Mash. Here, Eleanor, can you put this wheel on here?
Yep.
Your fingers, turn. Yeah, keep going. This hole goes right here. And this goes in the hole. Yeah, boom.
Okay, we're plugging the motors in. Turn it on.
And then I'll press the gas pedal and see what it is.
Go for it, gas pedal. Oh, stop.
Whoa!
So, the wheels, are they spinning the right way?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Do you see how they're not spinning the right way?
This way.
Yeah, which way is this one spinning? Yeah. Look at this. Pull this cable off. Okay, that's off. Now put this one on this one. And now put that one on that one. Okay, now let's try it again. Ready?
Yep. They're following each other. They're going both this way.
Careful.
Again.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got this. Just watch. Oh.
Oh, baby's doing it.
Oh, mommy's good.
Is Masha pulling these out?
I guess.
Masha started practicing too. Capiche? Come on, let's give baby some.
My hands get cold.
Oh my gosh. About like.
Okay, here's the moment of truth. Masha, come over here. Turn your Jeep on. Let's see if it works. Oh, power button's over here. Why don't you come over here? Okay, let's see if the wheels spin. Ready? Woohoo! We are good to go.
The Jeeps are big.
Wait.
Wheel breaker operation.
You got a rock in your pocket?
There you go.